Hello. Today we will be going over the steps required to successfully install an iGotcha GPS quick device with an OBDII cable. Let's begin. The tools that are required and that we recommend are a screwdriver, black zip ties, and a plastic pry bar. Included in the box you will have one male OBDII connection, one female OBDII connection, one quick device, and one instructional manual. Download the iGotcha GPS app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Log into your account and follow the app instructions included in your box. You'll be able to scan the GPS device's barcode along with the car's VIN to register the device to the vehicle. Using a plastic pry bar, remove the vehicle's dash and support bars. Next, locate the OBDII connector and release from factory mount. Connect the vehicle's OBD port into the wiring harness connector. Now that the power is connected, confirm that the GPS tracker is displaying both LED lights and using the iGotcha GPS app. Perform a locate on demand to confirm that the device is successfully communicating. Then, using the other end of the wiring harness, install it as the vehicle's new OBD port. Place the device label side up under the dash, but not directly under metal. Finally, put the dash back together. Your OBDII installation is now complete.